everything yet, to be honest. I prefer making gifts myself, such as photo collages or handmade cards, because they feel more personal.
That's such a nice idea. I think the best presents are the ones that show you really know the person.
Exactly. Last year, I wrote some short letters to my friends, telling them why are they important to me. They said that was the most meaningful gift they have ever received.
Good evening, dear guests. Please give another big round of applause for the first act that opened our Christmas foreign language show, performed by Marija Perak, Rita Rogosić, and Carmen Ora, under the guidance of our English teacher, Miss Jagoda Čudić Zrnić. Tonight, your hosts will take turns speaking different languages. In French, we have Ira Zoko.
Bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs.
And also in French, Rina Knezović.
Bienvenue à notre spectacle de Noël.
And in German, Luce Lelas.
Guten Abend, herzlich willkommen zur Weihnachtsaufführung der French.
Je gardais un cadeau et j'attends ça mourir. Et je suis en train de Noël je porte des cadeaux qui sont ravis. Je suis un ange de Noël qui veille. Dans la nuit, je chante pour les enfants et les lampes de Noël. Je suis une grosse Noël qui sont dans les lampes. Chante à vous.
And for our final act, all the elves will perform together. Brothers, elf bumble, elf glitter, elf musician, elf a magician, and elf gamer.
I declare, everyone is the winner!
So that concludes our talent show. We hope we made you laugh.
Merry Christmas! Hello, my friends. Come gather me. It's time for the alphabet full of Christmas cheer. We won't use all the letters, just a few, to share the joys of Christmas with you. From stockings to snow and a bright shining star, let's hear the Christmas alphabet and spread joy. C is for the candy streamed around the Christmas tree. P is happiness, for the happiness we told the family. R is for the reindeer prancing by the window pane. I'm the icing on the cake, a sweet sugar cake.
S is for the stocking hanging on the chimney wall.
T is for the toe, beneath the tree so tall. M is for the mistletoe that everyone is kissing. A is for the angel who make up the Christmas season. S is for Santa who will never forget. Be good and he will bring you everything to your Christmas alphabet.
This is all the Christmas alphabet. This is all the things we won't forget. For something, for snow, the bright sunny star. Christmas is in the midst of very hard. Let the kids far near. Merry Christmas to all and a happy New Year.
Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail
Christmas night. I'm the first little star, glowing bold, shining warm with stolen star. I glow with the cheer, both far and near, for Christmas time it's finally here. I'm the second star, small but sweet. I feel the air holiday sweet. With carols sweet, I glow it bright. Lightning smile both far and far. I'm the third star, gentle and true. My sparkle brings peace to you. I shimmer soft in the winter sky, a quiet hope for every eye. I'm the fourth star, glowing bright. I bring kindness to the night. A shining flicker for the cloud of rainbow, Christmas night forever. I'm the fifth little star, shining hard, spreading joy across the sky. I share this glow with every heart, for the Christmas love is our to start. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Da liegen die Kinder im Traum. Sie träumen von schönen Sachen und von dem Weihnachtsbaum.
Während die Kinder schlafen und träumen, etwas in den Büsche liegen, strahlt Englein in der Wald.
Und während ich suche die Dächer, sie durch ich Himmel klein. Schätze sie jetzt Bettlein, wo nur Abend in der Wald.
Und freut sich über alle, die fromm und freundlich sind, denn solche lieb vom Herzen das himmlische Kind.
Schlafen noch die Kinder und sehen es nur im Traum. Doch morgen tanzen und springen sie um den Weihnachtsbaum.
Weiße Weihnacht ist es, ja. Ja, das wäre wunderbar. Ja, das wäre wunderbar. Doch auch wenn der Schnee nicht fällt, liegt ein Zauber auf der Welt, der uns Menschen träumen lässt. Wir wünschen euch
Les branches, toutes branches. Dans un coin, le sapin attend Noël pour demain. Le flacon tournera. C'est le manège de la neige. Le flacon tournera, mon jardin en coton. Le traîneau tout là-haut, quelle merveille, Père Noël. Le traîneau tout là-haut apportera des cadeaux. Mes souliers bien cirés près de la cheminée. Mes souliers bien cirés seront remplis de joie.
Quand je serai très vieux, je serai Père Noël. Je vivrai dans le ciel, sous un toit d'arc-en-ciel.
Mes ateliers de jouets seront de la nuage. De là-haut, je verrai quels sont les enfants sages.
Mais je me souviendrai de quand j'étais petit, des caprices que je fais, des mensonges que je dis.
Et j'aurai petit coca et jouer qui clignot et des ours câlins.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. How are my best helpers?
Almost ready, Santa.
Santa, may I ask a few questions?
Of course. Ask away.
What is your message for kids this Christmas?
Be kind, help at home, and protect the planet.
And say thank you even for socks.
Socks are very practical.
Good advice. And Santa, are you ready?
I'm ready, but where are my reindeer?
They're warming up, Santa. Rudolph still needs 5 more minutes. His nose battery is charging.
Every year.
And that's all from the North Pole. Remember, be kind, be helpful, and be eco-friendly.
Merry Christmas.
Oui, oui, pas de problème. La vie est belle, la vie est rose.
Koze? Kakve koze? Moja francuzica, nisu tebi sve koze na broju.
Druge bitte.
I can't find my boarding pass.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle dit?
Where's my boarding pass? Has any one of you seen my boarding pass?
Kaže da ne zna di mu je pas. I speak so languages. I learn present simple. I Duolingo for 3 days.
Honey, you should go to school.
Mes amis, écoutez. Nous chantons de bons chanteurs de Noël. Chantez, chantez.
Nein, nein, ich singe nicht. Das ist aber zu viel.
What are they saying?
Francuzica predlaže neki šante, a to su ti kante. Da, kante su tamo.